Welcome to Wi-Fi Wisdom. MSRM Wi-Fi Extender Setup. MSRM Wi-Fi Extender Installation Instructions. Step 1. Proper location. Get down to the extender setup process by finding the right spot to place your wireless range extender. The right spot should not be accumulated with dust. Along with this, it should not be surrounded by electronic devices, transmitting appliances, metal objects, and reflexive surfaces. Need examples? Here they are. Electronic devices, cordless phones, treadmills, baby monitors, and speakers. Transmitting appliances, washing machines, microwave ovens, and refrigerators. Reflexive surfaces, mirrors, fish tanks, and glasses. Along with this, ensure that you are not placing the extender in the lawn of your house. Otherwise, the signals emitted by the extenders of your neighbors will clash. Step 2. Adequate power. As soon as you have located the perfect spot for your extender and placed it there, locate a nearby wall socket. Once found, plug your MSRM Wi-Fi extender into it. If the model you are using has a power button on it, press it and hold on for some time. It is recommended that you take care of the following points before proceeding further with the setup process. First precaution: the wall socket you have chosen should not be damaged. Second precaution: the LED light located on the extender ought to become solid. Third precaution: ensure that the wall socket is near the location of the router. Step 3. Connect devices. For you to execute the setup process, the router should have the WPS button. The location of the WPS button may vary depending on the model in use. The order in which you press the button on the devices does not matter. Thank you for watching.